Hi everyone. So I want to show you how to make a tuna steak fried. So we're gonna take olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. I have it, the one that has best with fish. So I'm gonna drizzle it a little bit. Okay. I'm gonna use a spoon because it got into one side. Okay. Then I'm gonna turn it to the other side. So before we do that, let's get our salt and pepper in. So I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. Okay. It's really simple and delicious. So you can put how much ever you want with that. Now you can even, second, I'm gonna turn it. You can use that whatever's left over on the sides to get it. Then you're gonna turn it again. You're gonna put some more. I want to use my hand now. So I'm just drizzling all the oil. Okay. Again, I'm gonna take some salt and pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more because it's a thick piece. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take some pepper again. So there's many ways to make tuna. I'm gonna use these, whatever's left on the side, to get some spices here and some of the oil that dripped down. So there's many ways to make tuna, like I said, but I'm gonna show you one of the ways. So here, I'll move to my skillet. Okay. So I already have olive oil here that I drizzle. Not too much. I don't need too much, right? It's enough for this one. And it's ready. It has to be really hot. I'm gonna just drop it in. So 1.5 to 2.5 minutes is usually good if you want the middle to be red on each side. Obviously 1.5 to 2.5 minutes, but I like it more cooked inside, so I'll keep it a little bit longer, between 3 to 5 minutes. Again, this depends on your taste. So tuna should be like thick slice because otherwise it'll get dried out. Okay. So I already had it. It was really preheated, so it's pretty hot already. So I'm gonna keep it a little bit long, and then once that side is ready, I will turn it, and I'll show you after that how. So I wanna see. For some reason the oil is just going to one side of the pan, which is fine. It's okay because we have only one slice here. So as you can see, it's already getting there, right? The sides. I'm gonna also, obviously I'll show you soon, I'm gonna also get the sides up. When I pick it up, I want to get the sides also ready. So when you buy tuna, you want to make sure it's enough thickness, it's pink in color, okay? And you also don't want to take it straight from the freezer or fridge. It's better fresh always. Okay, so you see how it's getting here. So let me just do a little bit more here. You want to make sure it's at room temperature between 15 and 30 minutes. Okay, so this way it's juicy. It browns well. You see, that's how we want it to brown. We want it to keep the moisture in and not dry up. So, and you want the pan to be hot. So that's what will do that. So let me now, 1 second, let's get the sides first before I turn it to the other side. Okay. For demonstration purposes, I'm gonna keep it to like shorter cooking time than I use, but you can do 3 to 5 minutes or 1.5 to 2.5 minutes. Depends how you like it. Okay. So you can see it's getting ready on the bottom. In the middle, it's a little red. So it's really simple, and I'll show you how I serve it in 1 second. So I'm going to try to get this fried a little bit more. And you want the pan to be super hot, okay? It forms a crust as well, and then obviously the inside stays moist. Okay. So turn it back and give it a little bit more. A couple of minutes more. I personally like it like crusty on the outside and juicy inside. But then again, I don't like it super raw when I'm doing this one. Tuna is really easy to make, so, and it's super, super healthy. So, we try to make it more often. Okay, almost there. And get it on this side a little bit more so. Okay. Go on with the skin part so we can have a nice crust here as well. Okay. Okay. So now let's move the camera. Sorry for that. Let's move the camera back here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put some of the oil here, just a bit too much. Okay, and then all that will, when you cut it up, you start eating it, it goes all over. You put it, you can dip it in the oil and taste amazing. You can also squeeze lemon if you want to, if you like it. I'm not sure if you like it, but that's an option and you can enjoy it. Thank you so much for staying, and I'll see you guys next time.